Have you ever wondered why some guys seem to effortlessly attract girls when you struggle to do so? The truth is, attracting someone isn't just about looks or luck. You must understand the traits that can make you irresistible. In a world where first impressions are everything, knowing these traits can be a game changer. By the end of this video, you will learn the 11 traits that can make girls obsessed with you and boost your confidence. Number 11. Physical appearance. Let's face it, your friends won't mind if you are lounging around in old clothes. But if you want to impress a special woman, you will need to put in a bit more effort. Firstly, make sure you are clean and fresh. Showering and shaving every day is a great start. Another main thing is to smell good and look neat, which means regular showers are a must. Next, think about what you wear. It is time to stop borrowing clothes from your older brother or dad. Choose clothes that fit you well. You don't need expensive stuff to look good. A few basics, like a pair of jeans that fit just right, a comfortable t-shirt, a neat button-up shirt, and shoes for different occasions can make a huge difference. Lastly, consider your fitness. If you have some extra fat, try to work on losing it and building some muscle. You don't need to be super muscular, you just need to be fit enough to show you take care of yourself. Joining a sports team or a fitness group can be a fun way to get in shape. Plus, you might impress a woman with your athletic skills. Number 10. Confidence. Confidence draws people in, especially women. A man who is confident carries an air of charisma that is hard to ignore. It helps you believe in yourself and your abilities. This belief doesn't just stay inside. It shows in the way you walk, talk, and interact with others. Picture yourself at a party and you see an attractive woman. Instead of hanging back or feeling nervous, you stride over with a friendly smile and introduce yourself. By keeping eye contact, you engage her in a lively chat and let your confidence shine. This kind of sureness in yourself will catch her attention and even lead to her being impressed by you. Now, being confident doesn't mean you have to be bold, you have to have assurance in who you are. It is attractive to women because it suggests you are stable and can handle life's ups and downs. Number 9. Masculinity. Masculinity is often seen as one of the most attractive qualities in a man. Being masculine doesn't mean you are just manly in the traditional sense. You have balanced energy. Women are drawn to men who are masculine, but also understand and respect their sensitive side. Every high-value man balances his sensitive and masculine sides well. For example, it is okay to tear up during a sad movie or to be open about your feelings. Women appreciate this because it shows you are comfortable enough with them to be vulnerable. This can actually bring you closer together. Remember, the idea that women only like tough men is a myth. Number 8. Authenticity. In today's world, where it is common for people to hide behind masks, being authentic is truly refreshing. Showing your real self without any pretense has a unique charm that naturally draws women towards you. They value someone who is genuine. Instead of trying to be someone else or putting on a show, just be the best version of yourself. Celebrate what you are good at, be open about areas you are not so strong in, and just be unapologetically you. This honesty builds trust and can lead to deeper connections. Women find it hard to resist someone who is confidently authentic and true to themselves. Number 7. Sense of humor. A good laugh has a magic of its own, especially when it comes to attracting women. A sense of humor can instantly bridge gaps and make a woman feel at ease around you. Making her laugh means creating happy moments and memories that she will link back to you. Your ability to see the funny side of life, to be playful, and to bring humor into everyday situations sets you apart. Being funny is not all about cracking silly jokes. It is a sign of intelligence and a positive approach to life. Women are drawn to men who can lighten the mood and bring joy. Sharing laughter can strengthen your bond and create a joyful and lasting memory. Number 6. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is all about understanding and handling your feelings, as well as being in tune with others' emotions. It is about being empathetic, knowing yourself well, and being able to communicate effectively. When you develop this skill, You can really connect with people on a much deeper level, and this leads to stronger emotional connections. Women really value men who can understand and share their feelings, who listen well, and who offer support when it is needed. Being emotionally intelligent means you can deal with tough situations calmly and express your feelings in a healthy way. This builds trust and closeness in a relationship, which makes it stronger and more meaningful. Number 5. Ambitions. There is something incredibly attractive about ambition. A man with a clear goal for his future and the determination to achieve it can really catch a woman's interest. Ambition shows that you are not just dreaming, but you are also putting in the effort to make those dreams a reality. You don't have to do anything grand to show your ambition. Just talking about what you are passionate about, your career goals, or any personal projects you are working on can do the trick. Let her see how committed and enthusiastic you are. Women cannot resist men who are not supportive and inspiring. They want someone who can encourage them to aim higher and achieve more in their own lives. Number 4. Empathy. Empathy means understanding and feeling what others are going through. For a man, having empathy means he can really get what a woman is feeling, what she needs, and what she wants. This makes her feel comfortable and safe, and she feels truly seen and important. To show empathy, you must really listen to her, try to see things from her perspective, and acknowledge her feelings as valid. Take a genuine interest in her life and what she is going through. When you show empathy, you are building a deep emotional connection that is more than just surface-level attraction. A man who gets and supports a woman's feelings is someone she will find hard to resist. Number 3. Not being lustful. It is a major turnoff for every woman if you are always hanging around her, touching her, or flirting too much, especially if she is not showing any interest. It is important to let her have control, or at least feel like she does. If she is not ready to get physically close, like kissing or more, don't push her. Forcing these things on her won't make her interested in you. Instead, listen to what she wants. Try to understand her reasons and respect them. Remember, you will attract her more interest with your kindness and understanding nature than with pressure or insistence. Number 2. Mysteriousness. Being a bit mysterious can really catch a woman's interest. You don't have to be an open book all the time. For example, don't always be quick to answer calls or reveal all your plans. It is good to be honest, but you don't have to share every little detail about your life. This sense of mystery can make things more exciting and challenging for her. Letting things progress slowly, especially in the early stages of dating, also adds to this sense of mystery. It builds anticipation and makes her more curious about you. Mysterious men often come across as confident and independent because they don't feel the need to share everything. This can be really appealing. Number 1. Financial independence. When it comes to relationships, most women aren't overly concerned about how much money you make or your family background. What matters more is your ability to be self-sufficient. It is a relief to know this, since not all men are born into wealth. Women, just like men, enjoy being treated special now and then. It doesn't have to be anything lavish, but they appreciate little acts of kindness or surprises. So, it is a good idea to save up some money to treat her occasionally. Also, if you happen to be well off, there is no need to show off your wealth. In fact, flaunting your money can sometimes be a turnoff. It is more about being responsible with your finances and showing that you can take care of things, which is far more appealing. Conclusion. It is clear that women aren't only impressed by gifts and flirting. Instead, there are a whole range of traits in a man that can truly capture their attention. These traits play an important part in drawing a woman's interest. However, possessing these traits isn't enough on its own. The key is to actively nurture and showcase them. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.